So first, the pedal. Now what about the battery? Alright folks, last is this one. Alright. That's it. Alright, we finished the first one, the smaller one. Now I'm gonna install the bigger one. The bigger size, another one. Just with the bigger size, okay? Just that's it. Woohoo! So yeah, by the way, one last thing for this bigger one, bigger size, is to connect the power. Okay, just okay, that's it. So we finally finished all of the installation of this two bike. Should be very easy. You can turn on. See here, you can turn on this. Turn on. Turn on. And for this, you can see there is a power button here, and the alarm press. Okay, it's on. It's on. So it's very easy. So that's the unboxing of this two bike. I swear to God, I didn't go through any manuals. I just unbox. I didn't even know what's in the box, and didn't even know the name of this two bike. So I finished the installation without any assistance from others. So it's quite easy to install. That's my first impressions. Anyway. The detailed review will be out maybe weeks later, so stay tuned. Okay, bye. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.